Is function is a self-contained block of statement that is used to perform a specific task. We can say that functions are predefined formulas in MS Excel. They are used to perform simple and complex calculation. There are various functions in MS Excel, some of them as following. First one is sum function. Sum function is used to find the sum of given range of numbers. For example, sum is equal to sum a1 colon a4. Here each and every function start with is equal to symbol. Sum is a function name, a1 colon a2 arguments, and these are parentheses. How you can calculate sum this given range? For example, a1b, a, b and c, these are column name and these are rows. Columns are in is a vertical set of worksheet and row is a horizontal set. So clear? Like a1 up to a4 you want to calculate the sum. Here values given a1 10, a2 10, a3 10, a4 10. So when you apply the formula, answer is 40. Clear? As this way you will apply sum function. Next is average function. It is used to find the average of range, means given range. Same as sum function, example is there, only change the